at the point in time that we're recording this, Rob. And we've decided we're going to give away another 106 chances to share in one ticket. But we've got to pick those numbers again. So last time we did a modified version of beer pong. This time, well, we're going to shoot at our human target, and see which numbers we can knock off of him. On the front are the 1 through 69 white balls. On the back side of our very own Ryan O'Brien are the Powerball numbers 1 through 26.
2 have already fallen off of them.
2 have already fallen off. Gavin's will put those back on for us. And then those have to go in the front, though they're yellow.
This should go really well.
This is going to go great.
I'm just touching Ryan's butt.
Obama, you can prime my Nerf gun from my cold, dead hands.
Really?
Hasta la vista, O'Brien.
Oh my God, that was really close to my face.
You gonna take a shot?
Absolutely.
Get to the top.
Oh!
Wait a minute, hit it. Wait, there's one in the floor.
You are fired.
We got one down.
Oh! That was close. Let's say that one. 51.
51.
Alright, here. This one should go a little bit better.
Oh God.
Here we go.
Oh
man.
Whose idea was this? It was mine, actually.
It was yours, wasn't it?
It was mine. You gotta turn like this, maybe.
What's
What's wrong with you people? There we
got
go.
one. What number's that?
58.
58.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Oh, there we go.
I got one.
Which, right?
That
yeah,
one.
that's the one.
63.
Alright. That one nailed right under your chin. Yeah, that one.
47. Oh! $21.
Show us what you're working with, O'Brien. Show us what your mama gave
Can we
you.
pop it out a little bit?
Yeah,
There
can
you
you
go.
put your hands on the wall? No, God. Twerk!
Yes.
Alright,
What
what?
a naughty boy, officer. Did
Can we try it, Gavin?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Alright.
Even for like prom night.
God.
If you missed it, I'm gonna finish it.
Oh!
Alright,
Oh my God.
say goodnight, O'Brien.
Oh,
That's
there we
the
go.
one.
You
That's
got
one.
one. You got one.
That one right there.
Yeah.
Your Powerball is 2.
All right.
Oh my God.
Good luck.